And with me right now from the Christian Women's Connection is Yvonne Church. Welcome. Nice to have you here today. It's always a pleasure.
It's nice to be here.
And we are talking about your upcoming meeting, which is not this week, it's next week, meaning it's Tuesday, May 21st at Clubhouse 7 at 11:45. And we were just talking because one of their special guests is going to be Penny Lambright, who's been on our program in the past, of clutter cleaners. And we were just thinking, like, that's something we need, but it's so hard.
It is very difficult to do. And Penny's been there before, and she gives you a handout. And so you go home and you think, okay, I'm going to really do this, because she has a lot of aid in that handout. But you can't do it. It's just something that you have to think about, and then you think, no, I can use that. I'll use that again.
Right.
So it's good, and the concept is great, and she's really good in her presentation, but it's a tough thing to do.
You know, it is, and I was telling her, you know, we can barely get through our garage with all our stuff. Yeah. And I'm sometimes that way, because I'll do building projects and I'll have pieces of wood and I'll keep them somewhere.
Yeah.
And you know, Matt, maybe a year and a half later, it's like, wow, I needed this one little, instead of buying a big thing. Yeah.
I know.
You feel like you're going to use it.
You really do.
She can help out in some ways.
Oh, she can. She really does. And she has a lot of hints on what you can do and you can do now.
All right. Now, who is Judy Stapp? I know she's been in your meetings before, right?
Yes. Judy Stapp is more like a motivational speaker.
Okay.
And she's going to talk about we are all mothers at heart, and the title of her presentation is Love Like a Mother. Okay. And she'll spend a half hour in her presentation, and it's very informative and it's very good. It makes you feel so good when you leave. Yeah. It really is inspirational.
Now, can anybody come to this meeting?
Yes, anyone can come. We really would welcome reservations.
Right, because you have the luncheon.
Yes, we have a luncheon that goes with it. And first we have the special feature, which is clutter cleaners, and then we have lunch, and then we have our guest speaker, which is Judy. So we would like the reservation, because in order to make the food, and to know how many people are going to be there, and to set up the tables and the chairs and etc., we need to know the number. Okay, now it is $14 per person. It is. And I'm going to give you a number. It is on the screen, but you're going to call Joe Hendredine at 949-939-2431 to make your reservation. And as far as paying, do they pay when they get there? They pay when they get there. Okay, that makes it easy. Yes, and one nice thing about this committee is you don't have any dues for the year. Okay. There are no dues that are essential. It's just you pay for your lunch as you go, and you make your reservation, and you pay when you get there. Okay, that's good to know. Yeah. Now, in addition to this, or in addition to the lunch and the speaker, you have door prizes as well? Yes, we do. For some of the door prizes are some people who are there for the first time. They get to stand up, and then they get a prize. And then they'll give some questions out, throw them out to the audience, and the first one that has the answer, they get a prize. So it's throughout the meeting that there are prizes that they award. Good, that's a lot of fun. Yeah, it is. And also we want to mention that if you want to get involved with their Bible studies, you have that on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, right? Right. And when are those? What times? I'm not sure of the time on those, and I don't have them on my card here, but I think they're in the morning and they're at someone's home. I'm pretty sure it's like 9 or 10 or something like that. But they could find that out if they would attend one of the meetings. All right. And they could sign up for it, and they'd be all set. All right. It should be a lot of fun. It is. And again, that is next week. That is Tuesday, May 21st at Clubhouse 7 at 11:45 a.m. To about 1:30. Please contact them ahead of time, and that way they know how many people are going to be there, primarily for lunch. So you see the number on the screen, but again, there's a couple numbers on there, but the top one, calling Joe at 949-939-2431, give that a call and let them know. That's perfect. All right, good to see you. Thank you. It's nice to meet you. Thank you. We'll be right back. Okay.